Adjectives are words used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. They are often placed before nouns. They have three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Comparative degree is used when two persons or things are compared. Superlative degree is used when more than two persons or things are compared. In this video, positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of 50 familiar practical words that beginners can easily use in practical English are given. Most adjectives form the comparative degree by adding er and the superlative degree by adding est to the positive. A few examples of such adjectives are given. Sometimes the last letter of the positive is doubled before adding er and est. A few examples of such adjectives with the comparative and superlatives are given. If the positive ends with letter E, only R and ST are added for comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Go through the given examples and learn them. Now let us learn how comparative and superlative degrees are formed for the adjectives that ends with the letter Y. If the positive ends in Y and the Y has a consonant before it, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. But if the Y has a vowel before it, then the Y is left alone and not changed into I. In the given examples, the first adjective gay has a vowel before Y, and so without changing Y, ER and EST is added to form comparative and superlative degrees. Whereas, look into the adjective happy. Since Y has a consonant before it, Y is changed to I before adding ER and EST. Most adjectives of two syllables and all adjectives of more than two syllables form the comparative by adding more and the superlative by adding most to the positive form. Some adjectives are exceptions to the usual rules. For example, clever. It can form its comparative and superlative degrees in two ways: cleverer, cleverest, and more clever, most clever. As in the example, she is cleverer than her sister. She is more clever than her sister. Both forms are grammatically correct. Another example, polite. Politer, politest, or more polite, most polite. Both can be used. Some adjectives do not follow any rules while forming the comparative and superlative forms. Look into the given examples. The adjective good, its comparative form is better and superlative form is best. Hope now you understood how comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives are formed. The given examples are common adjectives that can be used in everyday conversation. Learning the three forms enable you to speak and write more naturally and confidently. Learn them to improve your speaking and writing skills.